First, let us switch on. Then let us learn how to use drum scale and the powder to clean the washing machine. First, they will give us, or you have to buy this product. They have given a lot of instructions, but we need only, and we use this for washing the machine. And there will be a cap. Just you open it like this. Okay, then we open this, and this also will open. What we have to do is open this and let us count. And also once more you take some more, then put it. Then lock it. And now you have to keep this into the option of keep this into the drum scale option, and it will show 1 hour 10 minutes automatically. So I wish whether to change the time or not. Yeah. And wait for 1 hour, and then let us come back and look for the washing machine. So this is how to use Snellen Quick Descaler.